Alrighty, what's up guys? Another day, another sneaker video. This one, another unboxing video. So these three boxes came in all today, pretty much around the same time, and I figured it'll be good content to sort of just run through them. If you guys are into this miscellaneous content, I like to call it, no sort of scripts or anything to them, let me know in the comment section below. Also be sure to check out my channel, Stuff Dylan Likes, here on YouTube. I make sneaker content pretty much daily. It's just a matter of me uploading these things in a timely fashion. And if you can't wait for the videos, follow me on Instagram at Stuff Dylan Likes. I'm sharing pickups like this way faster than I am these YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's kick right into these things. So I move this stack to the side here. We'll start with this top one. I pretty much know what is in every box. It's just a matter of making sure that they're all neat and tidy. So I usually film unboxing clips on the side. But again, when multiple packages come in one day, like today, and I feel motivated to make a video, I'll go ahead and do it. So this one came from eBay. I've been heavily buying on their platform. I think the biggest thing for me is the authenticity guarantee for sneakers over, I believe, $100 or $150. And living sort of near their authenticity check here on the East Coast, they come in pretty fast. The box has that eBay authenticity guarantee. Meet your soulmates just like any other eBay box. And then you get your authenticity guarantee NFC sort of explanation card there. And then they package them up pretty nicely. And by the looks of the box, you should probably know what they are. These are a pair of Asics. They say Ronnie Fieg on them. I've gotten into this weird little niche of buying Kith related items. If you can tell by recent videos, and here is yet another one. So this is a Gel Lyte III OG, size 10. And they are in the Torpedo colorway. So let me unbox them real quick just to make sure that they are what I ordered. And yes, they are a brand new pair of Asics Gel Lyte IIIs in collaboration with Kith or Ronnie Fieg. This light's not doing me any favors, just given how dark it is in the background, but these are them, again, in the Torpedo colorway. Ooh, very soft. This is my first pair of Gel Lyte IIIs, actually, shockingly enough. There's the other shoe. Suede is super buttery. And then we have two extra sets of laces as well. So here's the NFC tag. So you essentially put your phone on here and it gives you purchase history. For the most part, these are pretty nice. I need to do some further research on these, but just preliminarily, they are from the Palette collection. So it was Ronnie Fieg teaming up with Asics to put out the Palette collection, which essentially touched on a lot of the colors that Ronnie and Kith use in their apparel palette, literally, and this is one of many colorways on that. These are super limited. I believe it's only like 300 pairs total between all of the colorways or something like that. Overall, I remember when these came out, I believe in late 2020, I had passed on them, and I believe a lot of people weren't really into them. Given sort of the monotone or monochrome color blocking on a lot of them, it wasn't everyone's cup of tea, but there are certain hitters for sure. This pair I got for a steal. I think I got it for like $150 shipped brand new, and retails around like $180 plus shipping and tax. So definitely got these for under retail steal. If you go on any sort of StockX or GOAT, they're going a little bit over retail, but not so much. So I think at under retail is a crazy price. So super stoked to have these. Hopefully I'll make a video on them at some point, but just very stoked to wear them now in sort of the last few months here of winter. These definitely are not a summer shoe by any means. So next up, this is part 2 of a recent pickup. And once I unbox them, you'll know what I mean. These come from Camden, New Jersey, one of the safest places in America. If you don't understand that joke, I feel sorry for you. But I ordered these off of DTLR. I caught a restock link via Twitter on these, and it was a pair that I tried pretty hard to get, but wasn't able to. So I was lucky to cop this delayed W, as they say in the sneaker game. Super easy, came super quick. Since I'm based here in New Jersey, it was literally like a day shipping. This is the receipt here from DTLR, $110 retail, and I paid a little bit for shipping. But here they are, gray New Balance Lifestyle box. There's the box label, BB550 SN1, size 9.5, my true sneaker size. And inside, of course, is a pair of 550s, Team Royal or Royal Blue 550s. These originally came out at the end of 2020, along with the red pair that I recently picked up. You guys have seen that in a recent upload. And they just re-released in honor of the 75th anniversary during NBA All-Star Weekend, I believe it was. So this pair and the red pair are the latest and greatest GRs to come from the 550. And I've got to say, I still like the red colorway a lot more. but this blue one is very, very nice. Very basic leather, quite a ubiquitous shoe. Everyone and their mother is copping a pair of 550s, but in a way they're still pretty hard to get. I know depending on, you know, where you go in store, you might still be able to see them, but for the most part online it's pretty hard to catch these. They go very fast, so I'm very glad to have this pair. Given the recent upload of my red pair, I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and drop a video on these, but who knows. The 550 is definitely taking the world by storm of late. And, you know, without question, I've been buying into the hype is why I have so many pairs of them. So this is the Royal 550 once again, and we're gonna jump to this next and last pair. So this last box comes from Hawaii. Shout out Hawaii, I was just there in December. And this seller that I bought from, I've actually bought from in the past. I didn't even know until I looked at my account history. But essentially, I got these from Poshmark. If you guys check out this video, I'll overlay on top. I use the Poshmark app as a way to find steals and deals. And this guy did a really good job of taping, but in a case like this, and even the past sale that he had sold to me, there we go, very cool. So he even wrapped up the box there. Wow, look at that, very nice. Let's get this out. Appreciate the secure shipping once again. Interesting box. So it's like an Aimé Leon Dore box in that it's very not sturdy, but these, wow, very cool. It's got like this sort of retro looking box. Very different from the 550s we just saw. A more intelligent approach to building shoes. There's the box tag U574GDY. And if we take them out of the box, got them from Goat, supposedly. Okay. Which makes sense, the box tag has that little goat, little serial number there. Fun fact. And these are the 574 Unending, or Gray Day as they call it. So, and they are in pre-owned condition, but very, very good condition. They were probably worn maybe once or twice. So these have been a sneaker I was always interested in, but I knew the GR aspect of them would make them sit on shelves. I don't think people are going out of their way to buy these, even though they're reasonable at retail. They're like $90, but have since been sitting for clearance because, you know, it is quite a weird shoe in that, you know, it's a 574 without any logoing here at the lateral side. If you flip the sneaker to the medial side, you just get some New Balance text, then otherwise it's done up in the classic gray colorway. Again, I'm gonna have to do more research on these before I drop a video or anything, but I believe these came out this past year meaning 2021, to celebrate Gray Day, which is sort of a little internal holiday from New Balance every year to celebrate this gray colorway, not only on the 574 but all of their sort of mainstream models like the 99X series, etc., etc. And this was sort of the spin on it this year, was redoing and retooling this 574. I've seen this sneaker a lot in passing, most notably in like Sneakers and Stuff in New York, a few other places, again in some instances even on clearance online. So I got these for about like 20 bucks, which is not bad at all, especially for a shoe that's very, very gently worn. So I'm definitely going to unlace them. They were pretty choked up, as you saw me sort of already start to unlace them. Gonna do my basic cleaning, otherwise these are going to go straight to feet. And I actually have a video idea of these and another pair of 574s that I bought, and I think I'll highlight both there. So until that video and any other upload, I think we're good on this little sneaker unboxing compilation. Again, let me know if you guys like content like this. I'll keep pushing it out. Follow me on social, all linked in the description. And yeah, thank you guys for the viewership as always, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.